Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to use checkboxes in PHP. So anyways, the first thing we need is a normal HTML document. Inside of the body, I'm going to make a form. Let's say form action equals index.php and method is equals to post. So anyways, I'm going to add a button, the type of submit. Actually, it's going to be an input for the type submit. Now we have the submit query button. So we're also going to add a checkbox. I'm going to say input and checkbox, and its name is going to be fruits. And I'm going to put these two brackets because the fruits variable is going to be a list. I'm going to say value. I'm going to say value is equal to apple. I'm going to copy it 3 times. And it's going to change their values. Now we have these because we need text for them. Let's say, oh, no, actually, I'm going to make a label. I'm just say label for apple. I'm going to say apple. I'm going to add a BR onto the end of all of these. I'm going to copy the label. Now, if we reload it, you'll see that we have these. So now, I'm going to add the PHP. I'm sorry, I want to say fruits, and I'm going to have these 2 square brackets since it's an array. It's equal to post. I'll just say apple. Actually, I'm going to say fruits. So now we have this. So I'm going to say echo fruits. 0. We're going to echo the first item of the fruit. I'm going to remove these. So if I use that, it's going to say the one that you selected. So now if I choose 2, it's going to say the first one that you selected. Yeah, so now it works. Now we can add some styling to it. So I'm going to put a style element in the head. So I'm going to say font background blue, the color white. I'm going to say padding 20px, border radius 20px. I'm also going to change the font family. We're going to set the font size. Now it's like that. I'm also going to say label user select none. So you can't select any of the labels. Now in here, I'm going to say echo fruit 0 plus BR. Actually, it's going to echo BR plus fruit 0. Actually, I'm just going to put a BR behind the PHP elements. So now there's the BR before all what comes inside of the PHP. So now how to use checkbox in PHP. So that's me on today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, so leave a like and subscribe. So bye.